This is a broken HP NV6 with 8 gigabits of RAM, second gen i3 processor and a Radeon graphics. I also have this old display from another broken laptop. Instead of discarding it, I repurposed it for this build. Let's strip it down to the essential and rebuild it. Created this custom enclosure for this build using parts from the old laptop and an acrylic sheet. Now it's time to put everything back together. What remains is still capable, efficient, reliable, and perfect for a lightweight server. Next, create a bootable Linux installation drive using a pen drive. Download the Ubuntu LTS version and Rufus. Links are in description below. You can pause here and use the same settings. Once the drive is ready, insert it into the server and enter the BIOS. Set USB drive as first boot option. Virtualization can be enabled later if you plan to run multiple servers. Exit and reboot. This is where the transformation really begins. Linux turns old hardware into something efficient and powerful. No bloat, no waste, just pure performance. With containers, this machine can easily run multiple services at once: downloads, file storage, remote access, and Steam downloads. This old machine is just getting started. In the next video, I'll walk you through installing Docker, setting up containers, and turning this into a fully functional home server. If that's something you want to build along with me, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. All the details and links are in description.